Canadians everywhere are buzzing with one major question this summer. What's going on with the CRA's $3,600 surprise payment? If you're a retiree, a senior, or someone helping a loved one navigate the pension system, listen closely, because this unexpected boost could make a huge difference in your budget this June. With inflation, groceries, and medical costs soaring, this extra money couldn't have come at a better time. But who qualifies? Is it permanent? When is it arriving? And what should you do right now to make sure you get every dollar you're owed? Let's begin with what's really going on. The CRA and Service Canada have confirmed a one-time boost for eligible seniors across the country. This is being called the 2025 Summer Cushion, a financial relief initiative combining several benefit top-ups. Some Canadians have already noticed larger direct deposits in their bank accounts. And for those meeting specific eligibility criteria, the total June payment could reach as high as $3,600. But that number isn't coming from one benefit alone. It's a combination of regular monthly payments and one-time additions. Now, what's included in that figure? First, let's talk about CPP, the Canada Pension Plan. In 2025, the maximum monthly CPP retirement benefit for someone at age 65 is $1,364.60. This applies only to those who contributed the maximum amount during their working years. However, the average CPP recipient gets about $831 per month. The good news is that for June 2025, CPP has been indexed to inflation, with an increase of 4.3% over the same month last year. That's an estimated increase of about $40 for average recipients. So the highest earners could be looking at $1,420 in June. Next comes the OAS, Old Age Security. For Canadians aged 65 to 74, the maximum OAS is about $713.34 this month. But seniors aged 75 and older are entitled to an enhanced OAS benefit, which tops out at approximately $784.67. In addition to this regular OAS amount, the CRA has approved a one-time tax-free $750 summer bonus for eligible recipients. This bonus is being issued automatically to help seniors with rising summer costs like groceries, utility bills, and medical expenses. So if you're over 75 and receiving the enhanced OAS, your total OAS payment for June could reach around $1,535, a significant boost in just 1 month. When you combine that with a maximum CPP amount of $1,420, the total reaches $2,955. But it doesn't stop there. Many seniors also qualify for GIS, the Guaranteed Income Supplement, which is available to low-income individuals receiving OAS. For a single person, the maximum GIS payment in June 2025 is approximately $1,047. When you add GIS to the mix for someone receiving maximum CPP and enhanced OAS, the total payment for June could exceed $4,000. But most headlines are focusing on the $3,600 number because that's the average received by seniors who qualify for both CPP and OAS, but not GIS. Understandably, this has led to some confusion. Many are asking, is this a permanent increase or just a one-time bump? To be clear, the extra $750 summer bonus is not permanent. It's a one-time payment approved under the federal government's Spring 2025 Seniors Affordability Act. This legislation came in response to rising concerns over senior poverty, high inflation, and growing costs in essential categories like food and health care. According to the government, the one-time $750 bonus will benefit over 3.1 million seniors in Canada. So who exactly qualifies for this special bonus? First, you must be receiving OAS as of May 31st, 2025. Second, you need to be at least 65 years old. Third, you must reside in Canada. And fourth, your individual income must be below $90,000 annually, based on your 2023 tax return. If you meet all these criteria, the CRA will automatically add the bonus to your regular OAS deposit in June. There's no need to apply. Now let's go over payment dates. Both CPP and OAS, including GIS and the one-time $750 bonus, are scheduled to be deposited on June 26, 2025. These payments usually arrive in bank accounts by mid-morning, although exact timing may vary depending on your bank or credit union. What if the money doesn't show up? Don't panic. First, check your My Service Canada account online. You'll be able to see a breakdown of your CPP, OAS, and bonus amounts. If the bonus doesn't appear there, contact Service Canada directly at 1-800-277-9914. You can also visit a local Service Canada office. Common issues include outdated direct deposit information, recent address changes, or delayed tax filing, so double-check everything. There's a broader takeaway here beyond this month's payments. While the $750 summer bonus is temporary, it may be a sign of things to come. With economic uncertainty and inflation continuing to pressure fixed-income seniors, many experts believe this could be the beginning of more seasonal government support. Winter heating and summer cooling costs are especially difficult for older Canadians living on tight budgets. Policymakers are increasingly acknowledging this. Another important development: the federal government is now reviewing how CPP and OAS are indexed for inflation. Currently, adjustments are made based on national averages, but there is growing interest in tying future increases more closely to real-life senior expenses, such as prescription medications, utilities, and housing. If adopted, this could lead to larger annual increases for millions of retirees. So what should you be doing right now to protect your benefits? Step 1. Double-check your eligibility. If you're unsure about whether you qualify for the June 2025 bonus, check your My Service Canada account or call Service Canada. Step 2. Make sure your 2023 taxes are filed and accurate. Remember, the $90,000 income threshold is based on your previous year's tax return. If you filed late or made a mistake, it could affect your eligibility. Step 3. Update your banking information. If you've recently changed accounts or switched banks, log into your My Service Canada account to update your direct deposit details. Step 4. Plan your summer expenses wisely. Use the $750 bonus to cover high-priority costs like groceries, home repairs, dental work, or medical bills. It's tax-free, so you can spend it where you need it most. And Step 5. Be cautious. The CRA and Service Canada will never ask for your SIN or banking information over the phone or by email. If you get a suspicious message, report it and do not respond. Always use official websites and verified phone numbers when dealing with your pension. Now let's quickly address a few common questions. Will there be another bonus in July or later this year? As of now, there are no additional one-time payments announced. The $750 bonus is tied only to June 2025. However, with inflation still high and elections around the corner, further relief could be announced. So stay informed. Does this bonus affect GIS or other income-tested benefits? The good news is, no. The $750 summer supplement is non-taxable and does not count as income. It won't reduce your GIS, housing benefits, or other supports. As we move further into 2025, it's more important than ever for seniors to stay proactive with their retirement planning. One useful tip is to set up automatic reminders to check your My Service Canada account at least once a month. This ensures you're always on top of any payment adjustments, tax forms, or new government announcements. Additionally, many seniors forget that the CRA offers a variety of free tax clinics during tax season, which can be helpful for making sure your income is reported correctly, a key factor in determining eligibility for OAS, GIS, and related bonuses.